Hi everyone, it's Jessica from Alicante Real Estate. Today I'm in a very lovely, completely reformed apartment, only 600 meters from Playa del Cura. It's in the city of Torrevieja, so you're near to all the facilities. And like I said, to one of the amazing beaches here in Torrevieja, who most of the people love, with lovely white sand, nice water, and near to everything you need. I'm standing actually on the terrace of this apartment. As you see, it have a nice balcony where you can sit outside with a table, chairs, whatever, and enjoy the afternoons. And if you follow me inside, I'm gonna show you more of this apartment. Let's go. So now we're already inside, just through the balcony, and you come in to a lovely, very stylish apartment where you have your dining and living room and kitchen in one open space. And we also have two lovely bedrooms with wardrobes and light, natural light, because all the bedrooms have windows. If you follow me to the first one, where you have the main bedroom with a double bed, like I said, a nice wardrobe for your closer and the natural light from the window. We go a little bit further down. I'm going to show you now a second bedroom. You have it here. You can put another double bed in it. You can use it as an office room, also possibility for just a guest room, whatever you prefer. And as you see on my side, you have an amazing new kitchen. It's very nice. You have everything you need, your fridge, your oven, your washing machine, also with a window separately for the kitchen. And if you follow me a little bit longer, you have a really nice bathroom, completely reformed, also with a shower plate. So this apartment, you have 69 square meter living area. Okay, this don't include the balcony. Like I said, we are 600 meters from La Cura Beach in Torrevieja, and we have a price from 159,900, which make it a lovely investment. You can use it for yourself all year long, or you can rent it for temporarily times summer or whenever you're not here yourself. So if I get your interest, just contact me on the number you see down here, and I'd be very pressed to give you more information about this lovely apartment. See you soon. Bye bye from Alicante.